Welcome to the Crypto 300 Club. We appreciate your trust and participation. It is our goal to provide a wonderful and profitable earning experience. Now that you have registered as a free member, your next step is to start earning over 300% per year by funding your Crypto 300 Club account and purchasing $10 crypto packs. Understanding what we do with the money you spend on crypto packs is very important. The Crypto 300 Club uses all the money spent on crypto packs to make profitable trades for our members in the crypto market. Each $10 crypto pack you purchase will pay you back at 2% per day until 100% of the purchase price is paid back in approximately 60 days. Then, from that point on, all crypto packs will earn 1% daily, half on weekends, thus providing the guarantee of 300% yearly earnings for all members of this remarkable trading club. You can always count on earnings of 1% to 2% each day because Crypto 300 Club management prepares for the good days as well as the bad days. For example, if one of our traders is responsible for a pool of $100,000 and earns $10,000 that day, up to $2,000 is automatically paid to members, depending on the pay cycle, and the remaining $8,000 is placed into a reserve account for use at a later time. It is very important that club members understand this concept. Our crypto traders earn an average of 2 to 3% per trade, and sometimes as much as 30% in just one day. All the money that is spent on crypto pack purchases each day is added to the trader pools, minus a small amount that is needed for daily operating costs and withdrawal requests. Crypto 300 Club management follows the same successful pattern that trading clubs have used for years. We make crypto trades with the money you give us, which then creates profits that are paid back to you. It's simple, it is safe, and it works. Thank you for your trust and support.